Hey there everybody, how is everyone? Hope you're doing really well. Hold on, I'm just going to shut this door. My baby's napping upstairs and he hasn't had the best morning, so I do not want to wake him up. If you're a subscriber, you would have seen on my vlog on Wednesday that my youngest trapped his finger in a door and I thought it was fine, it looked fine. Then we woke up this morning and it was obviously infected. So we just spent the morning in A&E, not having a good time. Bless him, it was brutal. So he's knackered himself out and he is asleep upstairs. So it's not how I thought today was gonna go, but we carry on, we move, it's fine. And I am very excited about this video because I finally went to Home Bargains yesterday. I've been meaning to go for a couple of weeks now. And yesterday I just went and I was worried everything would be gone. I mean, I know it is November, but people are quick to buy this Christmas stuff. So I was worried all the good stuff would be gone, but guys, I got some really good stuff. So I got my coffee, I got my candle lit. I suggest you do the same. And let's see what Home Bargains have got to offer this Christmas. Right, first thing I'm gonna pick up is this, and let's just get this done. But I was so pleased to find this. Basically, I have a little plan in my head which I would like to start doing this year with the boys, where the boys are going to have their own tree upstairs this year. Leo's always had his own tree in his room, but now I've got two boys. I want them to share a tree upstairs, and it's their tree, they can do what they like with it. And underneath the tree I wanted to get a basket, fill it with Christmas stories and books, and at bedtime they can pick their bedtime story out of the Christmas basket. That was what I wanted. So in my head I was like, I need a Christmassy, festive basket to keep all these books in. And this was literally in the front door as I walked in. They had a white one as well, I think, but I liked the more traditional colours because it's for the boys' tree. If this was going downstairs under my tree, I probably would have gone more neutral. But where this is for the boys' tree, I wanted it to look proper Christmassy, so the bright red was, oh, there's a little bow as well, was spot on. This hamper, oh, how much was it? I think it was like I want to say £8, but will obviously fit loads of books in there as well. So I was chuffed with that because that was something in my mind that I wanted to find. My two Best Buys, I'm gonna leave till last. So if you want to see my two Best Buys, wait till the end because I'm making you wait. Okay, these, I'm excited about these. I love, let me get the candles out because I love a Home Bargains candle. I really rate them. The candles in Home Bargains are Wickford & Co. and they are decent. They smell really strong. Honestly, like some of the Yankee candles don't, like when you smell them in the shop you think they smell really strong, but when you light them it's a bit underwhelming. Wickford & Co. don't mess about and they're £3.99. Oh my god. So I got gingerbread, which is unreal, and I also got warm apple and cinnamon, also unreal. One for every room in the house, right guys? Not excessive. I'm still burning my like pumpkin candle here. I need this one to run out before I put the Christmas decorations up. And then next to the candles, I saw they had these. So they're calling these decorative scented sticks. Now, I have seen these in my local garden centre before that I go to every Christmas, and basically what they do there is they put them in the Christmas tree and it makes the Christmas tree smell festive. Obviously this is if you have an artificial tree. If you have a real tree it's going to smell amazing anyway, but I have artificial trees, and these, let me show you. So they come with little hooks and then you get the sticks. Oh my god, they smell just like the candle, gingerbread, and then you hang them in your tree and it makes your tree smell amazing. So I'm going to keep the lid on tight because I don't want them to run out before I put them up. It says that they last for 30 days. I have my tree up for longer than that. But I'm really, really excited to try these because I've never tried these before. So I'll do these when I do, you know, decorate the house with me and I put my tree up, and obviously I'll film it. I will put these on and let you know how that goes. I can't remember how much these were. They were really cheap. I want to say they were like $1.99 or $2.99 or something, not expensive. I got a couple of baubles for the boys. I didn't really see any baubles or ornaments that I would put on my tree. Basically, there wasn't really any that were my sort of colours that I go for, but there were loads of cute kid ones, and so cheap as well. I got this penguin because I thought Leo would like that. Obviously Cooper as well, but Cooper's 18 months old. He doesn't care what we put on the tree yet. I got this penguin for 75p, and there was another animal as well. I think it was like a polar bear or something, but he was so cute, so I got him. And then this one, I got this anyway because it was like £1, and I thought, oh, was it £1? £1.79. And I thought, oh, he's cute, cute little reindeer, I'll buy him. And then when I was bagging it up at the till, I noticed that it has a little switch. So I'm gonna pull out the pulley, turn it on, and let's see what happens. Oh, Leo will love that. Oh, I'm chuffed with that. For £1.79. Leo's gonna go mad for that, honestly, guys. Go and get yourself one of those. How cute is that? I also got the boys some bath bombs. I mean, technically they're just for my eldest. Cooper's too young to have a bath bomb, but Leo, who is 5, he loves a bath bomb. I got him some Halloween ones from Home Bargains, actually, you know, last month when it was Halloween time. And they have Christmas ones too. Now this one looked really cool. I think this was £1, and it's a surprise bath bomb, and it says that there's a squishy toy inside of the bath bomb, so he'll love that. And then I also got him this little snowman one as well, and I think I'll save these for when I decorate the house. And when I decorate the house, I'll put these by the bath as well. Or actually no, I'm gonna save these and I'm gonna put these in their Christmas Eve box. Not Christmas Eve box, what do I mean, 1st of December. So basically on the 1st of December, our elf comes back, love him, and he brings some goodies usually. So like nothing like a bath bomb and you know, a little hot chocolate or something. So maybe I'll put those out for when Buddy the elf comes. Can't wait for that little guy to come back into our lives. Oh, I got another one for the boys. I dropped it. Another one for £1. Ta-da! Cute little gingerbread house. Okay, down the cleaning aisle. When I did my Christmas B&M haul, I got loads of festive cleaning stuff, to be honest. And I didn't think that I was going to get any more, but I did see some stuff in Home Bargains that wasn't in B&M. So yeah, obviously I had to get it. Firstly though, I have tried this scent before. This is the Mrs. Hinch Frosted Eucalyptus. And I've tried this in the spray and the wipes, and I love the scent. But I saw a friend of mine using the fabric softener and she was raving about it. You guys know that I love one particular fabric softener, but seeing as it's Christmas, I thought I'll try a different one. I thought I'll give this a go. That, and also, I hadn't seen this one before. This is the Sif limited edition winter warmth spray. So what this is going to smell like, I don't know. Winter warmth, I'm expecting orange, cinnamon, apples, that kind of thing. I haven't used it yet. Let me spray a little bit, see if I can smell it for you. Hard to say really, but I'll be doing plenty of festive cleaning videos, so I'll let you know how it smells. Now, as I showed you in the beginning, I got the large hamper basket because I want to make a Christmas bedtime story basket. So I am going to go to the Works because a friend of mine, who you probably watch, Rosie Henshaw, she was saying that in the Works you can get like 10 books for £10 or something crazy like that. So I am going to go down there and stock up on Christmas stories, but they did have a few in Home Bargains to start my basket off. So I got this one for Cooper because he loves noisy books. It's got loads of sounds on it. I mean, Leo will love this as well. But yeah, Cooper will go absolutely mad for those buttons, I'm not gonna lie. £3.99 for that one. Also got this one, I thought this looked quite cute. Santa's snow globe, and it's got this cute little snow globe on the front. And then it's just a story about I'm going to assume it's about Santa's snow globe, but haven't read it yet, so jury's out on that one. That was £2.49. And then this one is a bit more of a grown-up one. This was 69p. What a bargain. And it's called Christmas Stories, and it has lots of stories in there. So we've got The Night Before Christmas, The Christmas Fairy, like they're longer, more grown-up stories. And actually, looking at it, Leo could probably read this himself, which he would love to do. So maybe we'll just read this together at bedtime. But yeah, I am going to beef up that basket a little bit. Go to the works. Yeah, like I said, I heard it's great. Oh, I was really glad to see this. So obviously Christmas list is a big topic in our house at the moment, as I'm sure it is in yours as well. He started writing his Christmas list like back early October, and now he's got like 3 in his room. And I've been trying to explain to him that we can't do that we need to write one list and it can't be too long, and we need to put it on nice paper, put it in the post box, and once it's gone, it's gone. And yeah, so he said he's happy to do that as long as it's on nice paper. He will make his final decisions and write his final list. So in my head I was thinking maybe I'll just make something on the computer. But tip for you guys, really cheap, and it's a Santa letter writing kit. So you get it all in here. You get a Christmas pencil, you get this cute little thing to hang on the door, Santa stop here, you get stickers, and you get the letter, the important list. And let me show you. So there's actually a few letters to choose from, and then there's where they can write their list. And then it comes with an envelope as well. How cute is that? So that has saved me from having to make something up, because it's all come in this really, really handy pack. So really glad I found that. Okay, I've never done this before. I've never bothered with this before, but I did this year just because I couldn't resist. And I got him some Christmas bedding. They had a couple of patterns to choose from, but all of them were all glow in the dark, which is really cool. He's never had glow in the dark bedding before. I went for this like traditional Christmas Santa print, and as you can see, it apparently glows in the dark. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, but it says it does glow in the dark, so we shall see about that. Comes with the single duvet case and a pillowcase, and I think it was like £10, maybe like £9.99 or something. I can't remember exactly, but obviously I would get this out every year, so I felt like it was a bit more of a splurge item. But I felt like actually I'll treat it like more of an investment, because it's something that I will bring out every Christmas. And I haven't got any for Cooper because he sleeps in a cot and he doesn't care about Christmas yet. But yeah, cute, right? Okay, the time has come for my 2 star buys. Star buys. You'll know what one of them is if you follow me on Instagram, because I did take a picture of it because I was so excited to have found it. I never find these things. People take pictures of these things that they find in Home Bargains, and I'm never lucky enough to find it. So the fact that I got one of these, I was like, oh. It was £8.99. And it's this glass Christmas tree jar that you can fill however you like. I haven't actually looked at her yet, so let's have a look together. She's very well wrapped. There's her hat. Here's her booty. Oh, she's a beauty, isn't she? I don't know what I'm going to put in it. I love the fairy lights on the box, so I might put like some green in there, maybe, I don't know, pine cones maybe? I don't know, but I love her so much, and I'm so glad I found her, and thank you for finding me. My beautiful little tree. Where she's gonna go, don't know. Haven't decided that yet. I'm doing my Christmas decorations really differently this year. I've got a new tree. I was working with Balsam Hill back in July, if you remember, and I've got such amazing stuff from them. So I'm doing my decor really differently this year, so I can't wait to get it up, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, my last star buy. It's so cute. I think it was about £7 maybe. Little furry reindeer storage basket. Oh. When I first saw it, I was like, I'll put the books in that. That'd be even cuter, but it's not big enough for books, really, especially as I want to get quite a lot of books. when it was Halloween, I made like a sensory sort of basket for Cooper to play with, put pumpkins and things in it. So I'm thinking I might do a similar thing this year, or maybe when Buddy the Elf comes on the 1st, maybe this is what I'll put some little treats in, like those bath bombs and some little bits for Coops. I don't know, I really don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. All I knew is I couldn't leave him, I feel like he's a him actually. I couldn't leave him and he had to come home with me. Please comment what you would do with this, because I'd be really interested to know, because I'm undecided. What would you do if you had a 5-year-old and an 18-month-old and you had this adorable little basket? What would you put in it? Tell me. Okay, my last item is actually from B&M, so I feel like I'm cheating on Home Bargains doing this, but I saw it there. I actually went in to get something for my mum, and then I just randomly walked past this and loved it. And I've seen my friend Gillian has got, I think she's got this or something very similar, and yeah, I thought this goes with the whole Christmas theme, so I'm just going to show you guys. So this was actually in the bathroom section, but I got this natural wooden bathroom tray. This was £4, so they're calling it a bathroom tray, but that is absolutely not what it will be used for. I want a big old Christmas candle in the middle of it there. How lovely would that look, with a large festive candle in the middle of that tray? And it was only £4, so yeah, grabbed that. Like I said, not technically Home Bargains, but you guys will let me off. And there we go, that brings us to the end of my Christmas 2022 Home Bargains video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and thank you for choosing to watch my video today. Guys, so much more Christmas stuff coming your way. Oh, Leo did his, he does like a countdown on our Alexa every day, and I think she said it was like 44 sleeps or something today. I was like, oh my lord, that doesn't sound long at all, does it? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.